have exclusive information coming in on the Sushant Singh Rajput murder theory, as they are calling it. This exclusive information debunks this murder theory entirely. Sushant Singh Rajput's doctor's statements have been accessed by NDTV, and the doctors very clearly in these statements indicate that Sushant had a mental health illness. He was struggling with his mental health issues. The doctor's statements clearly say that they told Sushant he was bipolar back in 2019. The doctors have maintained that actor Rhea Chakrabarti was in touch with them. She was supportive of Sushant's mental health struggles. They have said that he was bipolar. Does this exclusive information that NDTV has accessed debunk the murder theory? That's the big question that we're asking on the broadcast. Well, we have our team of reporters who've been tracking every detail and development of the story. Sanket Upadhyay joins us from the newsroom. Arvind tracking the CBI aspect. And of course, we have Manish Pandey joining us from Bihar. Sanket, first to you, what have the doctors said?
Well, Rishika, to start with, here's the rider that these are statements that have been recorded by the Mumbai police of the psychiatrists who were treating Sushant Singh Rajput. We have been able to get access to these documents, these statements. These are statements that we have been able to get through the course of the investigation. We've learned this from our sources. NDTV would like to tell our viewers that we are in no way in violation of a doctor and client confidentiality, right? These are statements recorded with the Mumbai police. Now, there is of course a theory and again a rider that these statements cannot come out in public domain, but we can put this out for discussion. But what do these statements say? These statements reportedly mention and perhaps debunk the whole theory that Sushant Singh Rajput was not unwell. He was absolutely fine, and that he was not suffering from a bipolar disorder. These are two accounts or two statements from two different doctors recorded as part of the inquest proceedings of the Mumbai police. Let's quickly take a look at this statement number one. This is Sushant's doctor. We are withholding the name for obvious reasons. Statement to the Mumbai police dated 16th of July 2020. Sushant's doctor's statement, which is now with the CBI, by the way, and we are learning that now with the investigation going on, the CBI also starting its questioning and calling these psychologists and psychiatrists over. Perhaps they will record a fresh statement or take cognizance of this old statement as well. So what does this statement say very quickly? One part says, Rhea wanted me to see Sushant urgently. She said he's having suicidal thoughts, right? So this is a statement which has been mentioned. It gives the exact dates also. This was, if you take a look at the statement right here on the paper that I have, it says received a WhatsApp message from Ms. Shruti Modi on the 30th of October 2019, right? Then the appointment was cancelled by Ms. Shruti on the 4th of November 2019. On the 7th of November 2019, Rhea Chakrabarti sent a message saying her friend is suffering. Now, who is this friend? Rhea Chakrabarti asked for an appointment for Sushant Singh Rajput. Then the doctor says in her statement to the Mumbai police, reportedly, learnt that Sushant suffered from this disease, bipolar disorder, since age 20. This is all part of the statement. This is all part of the statement. Sushant said that he had suffered from symptoms since a young age. Sushant experienced these symptoms in 2013-14. Severity of those symptoms also increased every time. Repeating all of this again, these are statements, part reportedly of the statements recorded of the doctors with the Mumbai police. Then this doctor goes on to say Sushant was aware of his disease but did not take regular treatment. When Sushant came to me, the doctor says, when Sushant came to me, his disease was at an extensive level. So the doctor feels that the disease was at a very, very extensive level. Sushant Rajput was in need of immediate and good treatment. I contacted my acquaintance psychiatrist, asked him to treat Sushant.
Right.
Symptoms of speaking and thinking rapidly, extreme restlessness were seen in Sushant, and this is very, very significant because here the doctor reportedly explains that Sushant's condition was that of bipolar disorder. Let's quickly take a look at the next slide. It says other doctors post consultation, were sure that Sushant suffered from bipolar disorder. So this is just one of the statements reportedly that has been recorded by the Mumbai police of the doctors who were treating Sushant Singh Rajput.